What it do, Internet? David Baugh here, and today is vlog number 277, ladies and gentlemen, and I wanted to talk about a little gadget that I got today. This new mini keyboard. Let's get into it. Oh, as long as it looks good for the internet. Now, I just recently got fired from my job. You may or may not have heard about it. They fired me for having taken leave. I work from home, and they didn't even ask for my computer back. I even asked them if they wanted it back. They just haven't responded to me or done anything. They've already given me my last check, so I assume they just don't want it. But I figured, I might as well get some use out of it. I decided I'm going to connect it to our TV so that we can be doing a little bit more with that. It's just like a small little Chrome box, so it should fit there, but you can't just have a wired keyboard going all the way, so I figured it was time to get a new keyboard. I got this Fosmon mini keyboard here. It's actually pretty dope. I'm pretty excited about it. It's got a pretty good battery life. It's got the mouse built in, and it's a full QWERTY keyboard. It's got function keys across the top, which is kind of dope. I've only been playing with this for a little bit, but I'm actually fairly excited about it. I mean, we had a Roku on there, so it wasn't that big a deal. Roku doesn't accept Bluetooth, but I do have an Apple TV at my other place, and this thing will work for that. It'll also work Android. I think it also works iOS. A few other things. It's just a Bluetooth keyboard. Don't know all the ins and outs of it just yet. I haven't gotten too far into this thing. I did set it up, and then I've got some command strips. I'm going to connect the computer directly to the television, so it's just sticking on the back, and then I bought some short HDMI cables to plug it in as well. That should be pretty nice. It's fairly responsive. It seems to do it just about everywhere in the house. We'll see. You can... It's a full computer, Get some Netflix. Get some of that Hulao, Amazon Prime, that sort of thing. Just getting it set up. It's pretty good. I'd probably recommend this. It's obviously a sort of specific market that you're looking for. I just wanted to not have to have a wired keyboard and mouse going, so it's all in one. It's kind of nice. It's got a good look to it. Largely pretty cool. But that's all I had for you guys today. It was a pleasure as always, and you have a wonderful evening.